Assalamualaikum, welcome to my channel Farouk's English. I hope everyone is fine here. Today I am going to talk about an economical sentence. The sentence is about money has only one language, and that is, if you save me today, I will save you tomorrow. Money has only one language, and that is, if you save me today, I will save you tomorrow. That means, if you fall down in a danger, money can help you. How is it possible? You know better than me that in this world, money has a great value. Everything is possible by money. Here you are not agree with me, I know, because you have memorized in your text that money cannot bring happiness. But I said money can bring happiness. Yes, you are right. In some little extent, money cannot bring happiness, but most of the time, money can bring happiness. How is it possible? Wanna give you an example? Yes, I am giving you an example. First of all, human beings have some basic needs. What are these? These are education, food, shelter, clothes, entertainment, and to speak freely. I mean, freedom is speech. So these things can purchase only by money. If you do not have money, you cannot purchase food. You cannot purchase a good shelter for yourself. You won't be able to get proper education. Here I didn't mention one thing, and that is proper treatment. I mean good treatment. Medical treatment. It's also basic human rights. You cannot get proper treatment without money. Entertainment. Here also you need money. If you want to be very perfectly entertained, you need to spend some money. Another thing I said here, that is basic rights. I mean freedom of speech. It has no need to money to speak freely. This is our constitutional right. Where you live in a country, the country will ensure you that you have right to speak freely. So this kind of rights is not included to basic rights, but it is one kind of rights that is close to basic rights. By the way, I am not talking about here about rights. I am talking about money. Without money, everything is almost impossible to do. For example, I said already, without money we cannot get proper education, we cannot get proper treatment, we cannot get food, shelter, and clothes. How can we earn this money? There is two ways. One is legal way and another is illegal way. If you follow the legal way, you will earn money definitely, but slowly. And if you follow the illegal way, you will earn money definitely, but fastly. What is the difference between illegal money and legal money? We follow religion. In our religion, there is a saying that the honest people will get reward in their afterlife. So if you earn here dishonestly any kind of money, you will not get that type of reward, I mean heaven. And if you earn illegal money, you will get punishment in your afterlife. So try to earn money honestly, that will be fruitful for your afterlife. That is why here it is said that money has only one language. If you save me today, I will save you tomorrow. This is true, and it has so much great value in this current world. Thank you so much. Listen me patiently. Bye bye.